Good morning. More controversy surrounding the Lokpal panel. Fresh allegations made against the Bhushans over land they acquired in UP has caused a new storm, leading Congress leaders to now call for the Bhushans to step down from the panel altogether. The Bhushans, though, have refuted all the charges. As that battle rages on, the row over the CD that allegedly has Shanti Bhushan talking about fixing a judge continues. And Sonia Gandhi also came into the picture. In a letter to Anna Hazare, she said she doesn't support any smear campaigns.
हम ये अच्छे से समझ लें कि लड़ाई अभी शुरू हुई है। ये कानून पार्लियामेंट से पास होना है।
It was seen as a watershed moment for India's fight against corruption, the resurrection of a 4-decade-old anti-graft bill that had all but died. Now the civil society representatives who had claimed to be the main anti-corruption crusaders for the Lokpal bill find themselves battling a controversy a day.
नोआसिस के लोगों को प्रशांत भूषण का कांटा लगा और नोआसिस के मालिक चिल्लाए, हाय कांटा लगा.
The latest debate to hit Shanti Bhushan, the co-chair of the Lokpal Bill Committee, and his lawyer sons is over this plot. 2.5 acres of agricultural land in Noida, Uttar Pradesh, allotted to the Bhushans at a hugely discounted rate as part of a special scheme by the UP government. While this in itself may not have been explosive, what has raised serious questions around ethics and conflict of interest is the fact that the Bhushans are petitioners against Mayawati in 2 high-profile cases. One being a public interest petition against Mayawati's statues, the other a PIL in the Taj Corridor case.
ये मेरा मानना है कि आर्बिट्ररी अलॉटमेंट गलत है। तो अब कब करेंगे ये दूसरी बात है, लेकिन डेफिनेटली इसके अगेंस्ट करेंगे। इंडियन एक्सप्रेस के अगेंस्ट तो डेफिनेटली करेंगे, जिन्होंने ये सजेशन दिया है कि जैसे कि कोई मायावती गवर्नमेंट ने हमें फेवर किया है और हम उनके पास गए थे कोई फेवर लेने।
The new debate over the probity of those chosen to write India's anti-corruption bill has erupted, even as the first CD storm refuses to die down. A controversial CD, allegedly which has Shanti Bhushan, Amar Singh and Mulayam Singh Yadav talking about fixing a court case for 4 crore rupees. The Bhushans say that 2 labs have found that the CD was edited and have denied that Shanti Bhushan has ever met Amar Singh. Today, Amar Singh provided what he claimed was evidence that this was a lie.
मेरे दिए गए जहाज में, चार्टर प्लेन में उड़कर शांति भूषण जी लखनऊ गए और उन्होंने यह मुकदमा हमारे लिए और मुलायम सिंह जी के लिए लड़ा। उन्हें 2 पेशी के 30 लाख रुपया नगद का भुगतान किया गया। बाद में शांति भूषण जी ने कहा यह राशि कम है, यह राशि कम है, मुझे कम से कम 25 लाख रुपया प्रतिदिन के हिसाब से 5 लाख का भुगतान मुझे होना चाहिए।
So are the Bhushans the target of a smear campaign, as they claim? Or are they guilty of serious improprieties that now has many questioning their presence on the anti-corruption panel? Today, the Congress President Sonia Gandhi replied to Anna Hazare, promising her full commitment to the Lokpal bill and asserting that she was against the politics of a smear campaign. But party leaders, including the UP Congress chief, said it was time for the Bhushans to quit.
If a minister has withdrawn from a GOM because of a certain allegation, then either these allegations are responded to properly, correctly, or then on moral ground one must decide. One must.
And others like Digvijay Singh say that those who have held politicians accountable all these years must now meet the same standards of accountability themselves.
It should be absolute transparency in what they are doing. If they demand transparency, they should give transparency also.
Politicians say that civil society must be as accountable as they make their netas. But Anna Hazare and his supporters have clearly said that there will be no change in the composition of the Lokpal committee. In fact, they've dismissed the charges against the Bhushans as being manufactured. But with a controversy a day almost hitting the co-chair of the Lokpal committee, the battle lines clearly are now drawn. With Bureau Input, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.
NDTV's cricket app, Android and iPhone, fastest scorecard, special analysis and much more. Download free. ndtv.com/apps.